Welcome. Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance Company is a solid choice for anyone searching for auto insurance. Listen this Liberty Mutual Auto Insurance Company review to get a better understanding of who Liberty Mutual is and then decide if they may be a good choice to meet your car insurance needs. Automobiles are becoming more and more common in the United States, and with them the number of companies that are willing to insure them are on the rise. With so many customers in the market, there is no reason for automobile insurance companies to slow down, and experts are predicting a steady rise in the number of customers in the market in the next years. With a high diversity of customers in the market, it is impossible for an automobile insurance company to gain all of the customers, and it is for this reason that there are many big-name insurance companies instead of just one. One of the most famous insurers in the United States is one by the name of Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual was founded in July 12, 1912, when the Massachusetts state legislature passed a law requiring companies to protect their employers with employee compensation insurance. The company quickly gained fame, and they launched its first advertising campaign 5 years later in 1917. The company spread out so fast that in the year 1937, they had expanded through the 48 states, and in year 1970, they passed the $2 billion mark in premiums. Nowadays they have expanded all throughout the United States, servicing 42 states and in other countries of the world. They also rank 95 on the Fortune 500 list of largest corporations in the United States based on 2006 revenues. They have an estimated $85.5 billion assets and employ more than 40,000 people. An estimated 900 offices around the world. Other than automobile insurance, the company offers homeowners insurance, workers' compensation, commercial multiple peril, general liability, fire insurance, and group disability. Liberty Mutual offers basically one policy, which is called Liberty Guard Auto Insurance. This insurance plan covers everything from liability, comprehensive, collision, and theft. And they offer other extra services in case you want to add anything else. The liability coverage in this policy pays the damages caused by an accident up to policy limits, and prevents you from being sued in case that the accident is your fault. The medical payments coverage are mandatory in some states, but for the most part they are optional. They cover you after an accident, and allow you to go see a doctor if injury occurs. Last but not least, the comprehensive and collision part of your policy prevents you from a loss by covering the repairs your vehicle needs after an accident, or if it's caused by fire, flood, etc. For a little bit more money you will be able to add towing and labor coverage in case you need it at any time. Liberty Mutual is also well known for their discounts and the money-saving options that they give their members. Like all the other automobile insurance companies, their discounts vary by state, and what some members might find as money-saving options in one state can literally be non-existing to others in another state. Some of the discounts offers by Liberty Mutual Automobile Insurance Company include but are not limited to accident prevention course, anti-lock brakes, anti-theft devices, mature driver, good student, multi-car policy, and driver training discount. Apart from these discounts, the company allows the potential customer to know some of the basic money-saving tips given to every single one of their members. Some of the advice given by Liberty Mutual is to make safety a primary concern when buying your next vehicle. This is important because a car with more safety features will get a lower rate, because it will protect its driver better. Not to mention that if it has more safety features, is usually less to repair. Other advice given includes to consider a high deductible when it's time to decide on an auto insurance plan. A higher deductible is good if you can afford to have it, because it will give you lower monthly premiums. However, it is important to know that in the case of an accident, you will have a higher degree of economic responsibility if your deductible is high. Last but not least, Liberty Mutual tells their drivers and any other people that are looking into getting automobile insurance with them to maintain a good driving record. The less infractions a person has on their driving record, the lower your premium will be, and Liberty Mutual awards these drivers with the best rates. One last thing worth talking about with Liberty Mutual is their additional personal liability protection PIP coverage. Liberty Mutual decided to establish this plan simply to allow their customers to protect themselves against potential cases in which they can be sued for millions of dollars. This coverage broadens the range of personal injury coverage, protects a member for liability coverage caused by an accident, defends a member against claims and lawsuits, and it pays for your defense anywhere in the world. Liberty Mutual is a great insurance company for anyone that is looking for low cost and great service. They are given an A rating by AM Best due to their excellent customer service satisfaction and financial ratings, and they continue to grow excessively. With their different rates based on type of coverage, deductible and discounts, Liberty Mutual is a great choice for anyone looking for a company with great financial stability and national as well as global presence.